Good evening. So we got an early delivery from Amazon. So firstly, we're going to look at the singular passport wallets, which come in navy blue. And this was, according to my records, $11.89. So on the left side is how it came. And on the right side is how it is unpacked. So let's begin, Mr. Martin.
Done. All right. Now, as you can see, standard looking box thingy with the emblem on the front.
Coat of arms, the kangaroo and emu, never going backwards.
Anyway, magnetic box, magnetic clip, opens it up, that's your interior.
Yeah. So it comes with a free pen. So I wasn't expecting that, but reading the detail, they did say there was a free pen.
There was a free pen, and it has black ink, which is good for doing your declaration.
So you've got two SIM card places there, which I think is rather redundant these days, but Mr. Martin disagrees.
Yeah, for anybody who probably has an old $60 phone they want to take travelling with them, convert the cards over. It's cheaper than taking your $2,500 Apple.
All right, when you've got 4 card slots here for your frequent flyer cards, your business cards, your bank cards, etc. And I don't know.
Pass there.
Yep.
A little side pocket underneath. Now, we did try to look at putting your passports in. Doesn't fit here well. Doesn't go under here. Doesn't go under here. So, the theory we've come up with is this.
So Mr. Martin is inserting his passport in one of the on one of the sides, and he will show you how it works.
Like so.
So there we go. So he's basically put, I don't know, the last few pages of the back.
2 or 3 of the last pages of the passport. Slid them into the left-hand side pocket. Now it holds it quite nicely. Shuts well.
But this is obviously empty, so it doesn't have the card. So
not yet. Look, depending on what you travel, I like to take extra identification, bank card, and that's about it. Really.
I think it's supposed to be RFID as well, so to stop any scammers.
Theoretically, yeah.
So out of 10, what do you think so far?
Look, it looks nice. It's like I've said, I'd love to throw it into my cargo pants and see how it travels. But look, realistically, it looks more like just a bulky wallet.
Okay. All right. Bulky wallet out of 10?
I'm going to give it an 8 for now. What I want to do is actually travel with it and see what it does. You know, throw it in my gear, throw some gear on top of it, and see what happens.
All right. So this is Defway in navy blue, $11.89 Aussie. Okay.